You might think brewing beer could be complicated. The answer is a no. Let's go ahead and make this. Start by adding recipe, water, yeast, hops extract and malt extract powder. Connect with the tube and put the lid on. Press the button, brew, to start. Make your own tasted beer. iGulu F1 takes a new approach, using one app to check beer's fermentation status. Precision temperature and pressure control, making brewing a breeze. It's always a good time to share your own beer with friends and families. When pull out the tap, a virtual crossroads where flavors and aromas converged. It was a canvas of creation, where each press offered the opportunity to tailor a beer to one's own preferences, a pale ale for the adventurous. With each selection, the iGulu F1 whispered a promise of transformation, turning raw ingredients into liquid ambrosia, to share the happiness with the people you love. iGulu F1 stood as a testament to the fusion of innovation and tradition. Each sip was a journey through layers of flavor, crowned with the dense and smooth beer head, a testament to the iGulu F1's commitment to perfection. A marvel that promised not just liquid alchemy, but a sensory journey into the world of flavors and aromas. Rapid cooling, reaching the optimal 2 degrees Celsius drinking temperature only within short, inviting enthusiasts to embark on a brewing adventure. iGulu F1, the world's first portable homebrew beer machine. To brew your own beer so you can use it at any time. Bring with it for road trip. It's not just brew fine beer, cider, wine or kombuchas, but also making friendships, cultivating happiness, and revolutionary. Life is not just about busy work, it's about enjoyment, sharing, experiencing, and creating. iGulu app can share your recipes to your friends, to share the real taste of what you own brewing is really like. iGulu support various models of 5L beer refill with cooling. We'll never let you guys down, continue each happiness and never to the end. Everyone can be a brewmaster of themselves, infusing it with passion and creativity to make it more vibrant and incredible. A better beer starts with iGulu F1. Brew your own.